Let's begin with a real estate investor who has filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against Marin County and its chief building official.
That lawsuit alleges he was targeted with unlawful permitting requirements that were racially motivated. ABC 7 News reporter Ansar Hassan takes a closer look at this issue behind the lawsuit.
This was a place I wanted to retire. I was very excited about being here in Marin County, and I don't have that excitement anymore.
Dietrick Burks is an entrepreneur looking to sell floating homes in Marin County. He says he didn't have any issues with permits or selling his first home in 2019 when he had a white business partner. But in a lawsuit filed against Marin County on Tuesday, Burks alleges once the community discovered Burks was black, he ran into problems with selling his two other floating homes.
I was just shocked. I couldn't believe that in today's society, in the world that we live in today, that I was actually faced with having to deal with that.
The lawsuit alleges residents of Waldo Point Harbor petitioned the Board of Supervisors to stop Burks. The lawsuit also claims that Marin County's chief building official, William Kelley, quote, intercepted the plans and collaborated with the Board of Supervisors to change the county municipal code to target Burks projects.
It was only when he was doing the other ones by himself that he encountered essentially these issues.
Burks' lawyers claim he faced regulations that didn't exist in the municipal code, such as inspections before moving the floating homes to Marin County.
That had not been a requirement. That was specifically a gatekeeping requirement, and a gate that was only used to prevent him from entering into the Sausalito Marina.
In February 2024, the Board of Supervisors did vote to tighten regulations governing floating homes. In a statement to ABC 7 News, the County of Marin says it has not yet been served with the lawsuit, but that, quote, once received, we will carefully review it and respond through the legal process. The county's building policies are applied uniformly and are not motivated by race. Burke says once whistleblowers within the building department raised red flags about the obstacles he was facing, the permits were finally approved.
There were several people in that county government that said I was being held to a different standard.
Burks did sell the homes, but his lawyers say he lost money due to the delays and is seeking compensation as part of the lawsuit. In Marin County, Ansar Hassan, ABC 7 News.